Hey y'all, welcome to Pleiadian Point of View. I'm Peyton with Peyton Energetics, and I'm a Pleiadian channel. So in today's point of view, the Pleiadians wanted to tell us what we can expect in the energies over the next couple of weeks. And one thing that they said that we can look forward to, and it's good news for a change, is as light workers and starseeds, they said we can expect to see a huge surge in confidence and also in our sovereignty. So, as y'all know, something that we have been prone to do as an awakened community is to hide our light. How many of us have been guilty of biting our tongue when we really wanted to say what we actually thought? A lot of us have, for many, many years, kind of kept ourselves small, kept our thoughts to ourselves, to keep the peace and to make other people happy. And the Pleiadians have said that that is coming to an abrupt end, that lightworkers and starseeds are going to start to feel incredibly empowered, incredibly confident in standing in our authentic light, in sharing with others who we truly are and what we truly believe. So as an awakened community, we have been kind of coddling those around us. We have been playing it safe, not wanting to ruffle feathers. And as the Pleiadians have been saying recently, the time for that is over. It is time to be yourself, even if that makes people uncomfortable. So something we can start to notice over the next couple of weeks is that we are starting to get much more confident in showing who we truly are to the world. We are no longer going to be experiencing that fear of rejection, that fear of people thinking that we are crazy because we don't believe what everyone else believes. That time is over. It is time to unapologetically blast your light. So this is going to be something that's a big change for a lot of lightworkers and starseeds. We are just so used to keeping the peace, but the time for that is over. So this is the time that the Pleiadians have been jokingly referring to as our villain era, or as I am thinking of it, my hell no phase, where anything that is not based in love, anything that is based in separation, manipulation, all that stuff we see in the world around us gets a big no from me. It does not get my attention. It does not get my energy. And so this is something that, we haven't really felt confident to do this before as lightworkers and starseeds because of that fear of judgment. But that time is over. So expect over the coming weeks to see a surge in your confidence, in your willingness to be who you truly are, to tell people what you really think. And none of this is about intentionally being confrontational. It's just about being authentic, because so many of us have hidden this most of our lives. So this is going to be very interesting times as the lightworkers start to stand in their power. We are going to no longer really care what anyone thinks about it, because we know what our truth is. And that's all that matters. So over the coming weeks, what you may notice is that you are feeling drawn to pull back a bit from external information. So all that stuff you used to follow religiously, all those people that you used to give your time and energy to, even if they didn't uplift you, you may notice that you're not pulled to do that anymore. I have noticed that I have just been putting down the phone. I go to grab it and I'm just like, no, it's just not calling to me right now. So you may notice a pull to go inside. And the more you go inside, what happens is the truth starts to become crystal clear, because you get out of the mind. You get out of meddling, as we love to do as humans, in what everyone else is doing and saying. And as we do that, we start to really own who we are as lightworkers and starseeds. And as we do that, we become the leaders we always meant to be. But to do that, we have to be our authentic self without fear of what others are going to think about it. We don't have to worry about that anymore. So these are going to be exciting times as we start to stand in our power and our sovereignty as an awakened community, where we just say, hell no to anything that is not based in love. And I can't wait to see how this plays out. So that is what the Pleiadians wanted to share in this week's point of view. Let me know in the comments below, how are you handling these energies? Share that in the comments below. And while you're down there, don't forget, hit the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done that yet. I'll see you soon. Bye.